So I got my package. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh my god. Okay, so if you guys have been watching us for a while, you would know that we've been posting videos pretty consistently for you guys for like the last 7 or 8 years now. Maybe 6 years now. And part of that has been this camera I am currently vlogging on right now. I've had this camera for the whole entire time pretty much since we've been back on YouTube. And this camera is kind of falling apart at this point. It's having a hard time focusing. The rubber of it is kind of falling off. The screen is kind of tilting and the screws do not want to stay screwed in very well. So I decided to buy a new camera. This is the camera. It is a more portable, smaller camera. And I've seen a lot of people use this camera. I can make TikToks with this camera as well as vlog footage for you guys. And so I'm so excited to try out this new camera. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. This is their newest one. I decided to get a new camera before this one actually kicks the bucket, because if I don't like this camera, I'm gonna have to replace this camera. I will show you photos of what is going on with this camera. Alrighty, so I have the camera right here. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it so I can start testing it out and setting it up and getting it all ready to go. So I'm excited. It's sitting right here. Okay, we have some of the booklet stuff. I don't know what's in here. Oh, I think this is the case to it. Like the hard protective cover to it. Oh, another thing. Yeah, protective cover. Like put the lenses in there too. Okay. So then we got this part, which I'm assuming has everything in the carrying case. Packaging though feels really nice. I feel like I should not be touching it, but okay, so we have the carrying case. It's just okay. Why are you focused on the thing behind me? Okay, we have the carrying case. I don't know if it's focusing very well. Oh, there's stuff in here. So starting with the main event, here is the camera. This is the screen part. It's covered right now with this film, but it rotates. Oh, did you guys see that? Oh, I turned it on just by flipping it. That's why it was moving. Oh, we didn't see it. I'll put it on myself, so. Wait, hold on. Okay. Tripod thingamajigger. Not the tripod itself, but it's the thing that connects it to the tripod. Okay, we have another thing. Is this a battery? This looks like the little mini tripod part. Yep. The little mini tripod part. The mic, because it doesn't want to load. Charging cable. I'm not going to take this out just because I don't want to like lose it, but it is the little like magnet that helps magnetize, yeah, your mic onto you. Let me just, oh, there. We have, oh, this is the lens. I don't really want to take this one out either, but this is the wide angle lens. It is just supposed to like magnetize onto the screen. Oh. And this looks like the strap and the little poof for your microphone. There. The poof for your microphone. And the strap for the camera. Plus the case has like different compartments in it. So that's pretty nice and nifty. I have to download the app part. Alrighty guys, so I've been messing with this camera a little bit and trying to get it figured out. I got the mic transmitter on and my mic is on the camera at least. But this is the video I just took. Oh, I'm recording now? I wasn't recording before? I guess I wasn't recording before. I just wanted to test this out because this is crazy and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure it out. So, testing this. Audio is so clear. It's crazy. Yes, I am recording. But I wanted to test this out and see how this all sounds. So, yeah. That was so awkward. Why am I such an awkward person? Definitely using the mic because the mic helps it elevate it so much more, I think. I like this. Do I know what I'm doing? Probably not. Am I, like, just look how compact she is. It's gonna shut off. Okay, that is so annoying. It constantly just says that my SD card records slow. I don't know what that means because it's just a normal SD card. Okay, I have the lenses and the lenses just magnetizes. This is just normal. Hold on. Cracking my face. Oh. It does! Oh. It's like, it looks like it's a battery pack to charge the battery of my camera as I'm on the go. Kind of like a power bank. Charges your phone. This looks like it charges my camera. So you need this plugged in to work on your mic, I believe. Okay, so the camera itself is at 47%. And it like shows you. It shows me that my battery pack is charged at 44% and my camera itself is charged at 46%. So, oh, the lens just kind of magnetized into the camera case. I think it sits like this in the case. So it's protected in my bag. Alrighty, guys, so this is the first time using this and I wanted to go ahead and show you what's going on outside because we have some weather purposes. So let me just show you. This is kind of what we're looking at. We're just gonna watch outside. If I go over here, oh, I've got the face tracker on, just testing it out. There you go, Kenna. I am recording. I'm liking this guy. He's so cute. And I think it looks pretty cool. It's not even on the wide lens. I did notice a difference after reviewing the footage. You can definitely tell a little bit on the wide lens. I think my biggest problem is I'm gonna have a hard time seeing the screen because I'm blind and the screen is really tiny compared to my other camera. So as soon as I went inside, it decided to then pour rain. So let's see how well this does. Figured out one flaw that I don't love about it is I can't zoom in as closely as I can with my other camera. I'm liking it though. It's very compact. It's very lightweight though too. It doesn't feel as heavy holding it as the other camera does. So yeah, I think I'm liking it. Okay, I'm gonna record. Okay, move.
Whoa. That's really cool.
Look at that. Can we see it? Woo!